Hello, everybody. Today is April 10th. It's Monday. It's 3:54 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. On my left is the time and sales for the E-Mini S&P, currently trading at 2352.75. We have a fantastic day going for the BWT Auto Trader. Before I continue, first the required disclaimer. Okay, really great day going for the Auto Trader today. First up is the DAX on the Super Anko 14 tick. This is a chart we've seen time and time again. On this chart today, we had 3 winning trades and it hit its goal, and we had perhaps a tick of positive slippage. As you can see here, our goal being hit, the goal, daily goal 2,000. This is trading 2 contracts. So excellent trades here, catching these swings. This short was probably missed because we did not get filled on our limit order here. Okay, next up is the Dow E-Mini Contract. This hit our goal of 1,500 for the day. We probably had a tick of slippage at the very end as we use a market order when we hit our daily goal. This is using our line break logic. Our line break signals are these dotted lines here, and basically with the line break logic, we have to have a close above 3 bars back for a long, or below 3 bars ago for a short, and you can see how it plots those signals here based on a close of X number of bars ago. You can also see how well placed the line break signals are here. It rarely misses a large move. In fact, it never misses a large move. If I tighten up the equity graph here, we can see that we took absolutely no heat. We were off and running from the start. We went sideways for a few hours, and some very well-placed trades. This is a pretty large return on the Dow, doing 1470 for the day. This is trading 3 contracts. Okay, next up is the DAX on the Super Anko 6 tick, and we see a rather fantastic short trade right here around the 11 o'clock hour. This caught this entire move. Pretty nice placement and exit there. If I tighten up the equity curve, we drew down about $500 on we started with 2 losers, and then we came back strong with 2 solid winners in a row. That was here. And then we had another winner that just put us shy of our goal here. We probably got stopped out. We might have hit our goal had this not got stopped out. Anyway, 1,700 for the day on 2 contracts. Okay, next up is the Dow E-Mini on the Super Anko 6 tick. This is trading 3 contracts. And on this one, we have a goal of $1,000, and our goal was hit with no slippage. You can see our exits here on this tail of this bar. We did not take any heat on this, maybe a few ticks and drawdown here, but pretty much up for most of the day. So very solid performance here on the Dow E-Mini. Okay, next up is the Nasdaq on the Super Anko 10 tick. We had a really strong start. As you can see here, these 2 large short and long trades brought our equity to $1,500, only $500 shy of its goal. And then we proceeded to give half of it back with a couple of losing trades here. Brought us down quite a bit, unfortunately. But that happens. 725 is still a respectable gain in this market. Next up is the E-Mini S&P on a 3-range chart. We're trading actually 4 contracts here, and this is a limit order at the close of the bar minus a tick, but we're scaling out at 4, 6, and 8 ticks, and then the last one is a runner, and we're pulling that in pretty tight. So this is kind of some new settings here I'm testing out, but this still did pretty good, 675 for the day. You see our equity curve here. We only took a little bit of heat here, about a $300 drawdown, and then had an equity high of about $800, drew down again, and then came back. Okay, next up is the E-Mini S&P on the Super Anko 6 tick. We've seen this chart a lot, and this one did 537.50 for the day, which in the E-Mini S&P on 2 contracts is a great performance. It's 40 ticks, which is 10 points on 2 contracts. That's basically a little over 5 points per contract. So a nice return here just on a single trade. E-Mini S&P on a straight 2500 tick chart. We took some heat on this chart, about $500, and then came back strong, catching this sell-off and then ensuing long trade, and ended up with 425 for the day. Still pretty good. Okay, the crude oil and the Super Anko 6 tick, again, another consistent performer doing 430 for the day. This one is using our line break algorithm. Here's the signals here, and getting filled on our limit order. This is only trading 2 contracts. Okay, the Super Anko 6 tick. Okay, next up is our 30-year Treasury bond, and we had a single trade here, good for a few ticks in the bonds of 312.50 on 2 contracts. Next up is a 233 tick line break chart, and this one did 360 on a number of trades. Really didn't take any heat, had a couple of losers right here, but then came back and did 360 for the day. That's it for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website at bluewavetrading.com or send me an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.